You have reached the end of this awareness lesson. However, simply watching a video rarely secures a network. Theoretical knowledge often vanishes the moment a cleverly disguised urgent message hits your inbox. In a landscape of relentless phishing and weaponized attachments, the organization's primary defense remains that momentary pause you take before deciding to click. A single compromised inbox can bypass the most advanced IT firewalls, exposing the entire network to a cascade of alerts. We all share this vulnerability. Protecting the organization requires email security to move beyond the IT department and become a shared, active workplace behavior. To bridge the gap between this lesson and your daily work, we are moving into the next phase of the program, reinforcement activities. You will soon have access to specific tools for your workspace, including work kits, do's and don'ts cards, checklists, passphrase activities, and posters. These tools act as physical cues in your workspace, prompting you to practice safe behavior until it becomes a series of automatic habits. Your immediate next step is to establish a performance baseline by taking the Experts Academy Email Security Competency Assessment. This assessment measures 3 specific competencies: your ability to detect phishing threats, your adherence to safe email practices, and your execution of proper incident response actions. This is a practical measurement of your readiness, showing exactly how you will perform when a real threat targets your screen. Successfully completing this assessment earns you a certificate of competency. This credential aligns with NIST standards and cybersecurity best practices, serving as verifiable proof of skill. The stakes are tangible. Every verified sender and every reported suspicious activity directly protects the livelihood of this entire organization. Let us take the next step together. Complete the Experts Academy assessment, earn your certificate, and officially turn your security awareness into permanent email-safe behavior.